one is given wavelength of the photon is given how much 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters is given, and the work function has given h nu naught is given how much work function. You can write work function W naught also. You can write is equal to how much is given 2.13 electron volt. In terms of electron volt is given. What is asking from the question? Number one is asking the energy of the photon is asking, energy of the photon is asking, and kinetic energy of emission is asking, and velocity of the photoelectron is asking. Three things asking from this question. Number one is energy of the photon, and number two is kinetic energy emission of the electron, and velocity of the ejected electron is asking. Three questions from this photoelectric concept. First, we'll find out energy of the photon. What is the formula we use for energy of the photon? Can anybody tell energy of photon Max Planck equation? E is equal to h nu. H nu is the equation, but from this question, what is asking? From this energy of the photon is asking. That's why. So what is given from the data is lambda is given. So h is the value how much? Planck constant value equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into second. Now what it means 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into second. You can write new frequency not given, but so we know C by lambda you should write. You can write this equation h equal to hc upon lambda is given. So h value is how much? 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into second into light. Speed of the light how much? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second upon, so what is the value? 4 into 4.4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters is given. Simplify it, how much you will be getting? So 10 to the power of minus 7 taken up means it will become positive exponent, and if you simplify this, the energy value you will be getting in terms of the joules. So how much will be the energy value? Means around 4.9. So 4.9695 into 10 to the power of how much you will be getting? 19 joules you will be getting. So now you got this energy. So energy of the photon you got this much value. Energy of photon means so product of h and nu. So you got this value. And but work function has given in terms of what? Means in terms of electron volts. So convert this energy into the electron volts. So 1 electron volt equal to how much value? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. 1 electron volt. So then divide this. So 4.9695 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules upon 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules, and simplify this. So how much? 9 10 to the power of minus 19 will be cancelled. So 4.9 upon this 1.6, if you simplify this, how much will be getting? So around 3.1. Answer will be getting how much? 3.1020 will be getting. This is the electron volts. So in terms of electron volts, you will be getting this. And as per the equation, so photoelectric equation. What is the photoelectric effect equation? The formula is, so kinetic energy is equal to, kinetic energy if you want to calculate, h nu minus photon energy minus h nu naught. So h nu is how much? H nu is 3.1020 minus H nu naught is given. Work function is given. The question how much? 2.13 electron volts. So now, so kinetic energy is equal to how much we'll be getting? Kinetic energy is equal to, the value we'll be getting 0.97, around 97 electron volt you'll be getting. So kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Half mv square is equal to, let me record once. Kinetic energy formula, half mv square equal to, so 0.97 electron volts. Now if you want to find out the v square, v velocity from this equation, what is the equation you will be getting? Under root 2ke upon m. What is the m here? M value, what do you take this m value in this question? Mass of the electron equal to how much? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. So now we can substitute here. So 2ke means kinetic energy is how much you got? 0.97 electron volt means you can take 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules upon mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kgs. So how much if you velocity of the electron, so how much you will be getting the velocity of the electron equal to 5.84 into 10 to the power of 5 meter per second you will be getting the answer, velocity. So we were from this question three things. One is energy of the photon we calculated. Number two, kinetic energy we calculated of the emission. Number three, velocity of the photoelectron we calculated. So here three things from this question. What is given means, so photon wavelength is given and work function is given, and from this two things, photon wavelength and from the work function, so three things we are calculating. Number one, energy in terms of the joules, converted into electron volts. So how do you get the electron volts? Means joules upon 1 electron volt equal to how much? 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Then you will be getting in terms of electron volts 3.1020 you will be getting, and from this kinetic energy formula, kinetic energy equal to photon energy minus work function. So now let me ask one question. What is meant by work function? Can anybody tell what is meant by work function? Some amount of energy consumed by the electron, so to come out from the nucleus, or energy of the photon used to remove the electron from the nucleus of the metal atom is said to be what we call means, or energy spent, work done on the electron to remove from the bonded nucleus of the metal is called work function, we say. So this is the question, and which work on the principle called photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is the phenomena. What is the phenomena? When a suitable frequency of the photon striking the metal surface of the metal like potassium, metal surface like sodium, so the electrons will come out, the electrons will be ejected. The electrons will be ejected from the surface of the metal. That phenomena is called photoelectric effect. The formula for the photoelectric effect is, so H nu is equal to H nu naught plus kinetic energy. Is it fine, everyone? The photoelectric effect most important. Einstein got the Nobel Prize only for the photoelectric effect. He wrote one page of the article on that. So he got the Nobel Prize on this photoelectric effect, Einstein. Okay, so this is the question of the photon of wavelength. Three things we calculated from this question. And after that, the next question is given here, electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation of wavelength, how much is given? 242 nanometers. 242 nanometers. So 1 nanometer equal to how much? Anybody? 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Meters or centimeters? So electromagnetic radiation wavelength is given how much? 242 nanometers converting to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. So just sufficient to ionize the sodium atom, single atom. For the single atom wavelength has given. What is asking from the question is ionization energy of the sodium per mole. Is asking energy per what means per mole. So per 1 mole, so means energy kilojoules per mole is asking question. And he has given, first what we have to do means, so energy per 1 photon we have to calculate which causes the ionization, then we should convert it into mole. So the same formula you have to use, E is equal to h nu c upon lambda you can use, and h is a Planck constant already, 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So upon, so wavelength is given how much? 242 nanometers means 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. You should write 9 meters taken up, so it will become positive exponent. So then if you simplify this, how much will be the answer? You will be getting 4 point, you will be getting that if you multiply with this C, and in this, so you can write capital N, you write capital NA. What is a capital NA? Indicates Avogadro number. Avogadro number, so if you take Avogadro number of photons, if you take, means per causing 1 mole of ions, then 6.622 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 23. If you multiply this one, then you will be getting the answer per mole. How much you will be getting? 494 kilojoules per mole. You will be getting answer. Just what I am doing means, if you just energy h upon c by lambda, if you multiply means 1 photon energy per 1 sodium atom you will be getting, and if I multiply this 1 photon with the Avogadro number, so that many photons will be ionizing 1 mole of sodium atoms. Because energy, see, if you take one sodium atom, so for causing ionization 1 photon is needed, and if you take Avogadro number, then Avogadro number of photons are needed. That is the principle here. So Avogadro number of photons striking Avogadro number of sodium atom, and the sodium atom will get the ionization by absorbing energy. So means if you take 1 mole of sodium atom, 1 mole of sodium atoms if you take, and for that how much energy needed in terms of kilojoules? 494 kilojoules of energy needed in terms of joules to cause the ionization of 1 mole of photons. So first calculate for one photon, then multiply with Avogadro number, you will be getting the answer this question. Okay, so next question, I think, so you understood this second question, everyone. So after this, next question we have only these questions are formula based questions only. Formula based questions. Here the 2.11th question is a 25 watt bulb emits the monochromatic yellow light of wavelength. How much means the wavelength is given 0.57 micrometers. 1 micrometer is equal to how many meters? So then you can write 0.57 into 10 to the power of minus 6 can be right meters. Lambda we got. So he is asking question, calculate the emission of quanta per second. So he is asking the question, calculate. So emission of quanta means quanta energy per. So how much means same. This also we have to use the formula. What is the formula we have to use? E is equal to h nu Max Planck equation. As you know that frequency is equal to E is equal to h c upon lambda. So again same, take this 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules into second into c is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second upon lambda is how much is given 2. So 242 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters you should take. See, the calculations will take long time. So for these questions, and now how much you will be getting the energy of this photon? How much energy of the photon you will be getting? The energy. So you will be getting that 34.87 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of minus 20 joules you will be getting. Energy of photons. How many photons means 1 photon energy. So you will be getting. Then what you do next step? So in the next step you must do rate of emission is given. Rate of emission is given how much the bulb will be given 25 watts. So this generally what happen, the bulb power of bulb is given how much? Power of bulb is given 25 watts. So watts is the unit of work upon time. Work upon time, so it is given, and then what we have to do means, now we got the energy with this wavelength, how much we got energy means 34.87 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Then you must to calculate, so rate of emission of quanta per second you must do 25 watts upon the calculated energy how much 34.87 into 10 to the power of minus 20 joules. So here this 25 joules per second, these are the joules per second. So you can simplify this, how much you will be getting. So this is the answer, you will be getting 7.16 into 10 to the power of 90 joules per second. So here just what I am doing here, the watts energy, the power of bulb upon the power of the photon, I simplified, then I will be getting answer how much. So 7.16 into 10 to the power of 19 joules I will be getting. This is also based on the Max Planck equation. Calculating photon energy, then so the power of the bulb upon this power of the photon quanta, then you will be getting the energy per second, quanta per second I will be getting. So this is also based on the Planck's quantum equation. So right after this, so did you understand this one? This first one is photon energy, then afterwards power of the bulb upon this photon energy.